It's me, the Kali here. My curls are so small today because I wash my hair, that's why. And so you can call me the activity addict. Yeah, I like activity. The last video was the turmeric is an indicator. Yeah. Today also one this activity is there, and this activity is very interesting, and you can also do that. And if you have hibiscus or China rose, hibiscus other name is China rose and like that. So if you have China rose, pink China rose, then you can do this activity. It is so easy, and it actually worked for me. So I had done this activity one time, and it is true. And so I'm gonna do that activity. And this activity is known as, this is also an indicator activity, like to know, to identify this acid and base. Also we can identify this base and like acid also. So it is so interesting for me, like, and like first I'm gonna do it for you. Okay, I had taken 2 glasses, and it is hot water, and this is hibiscus or China rose. You can call it anything. China rose or hibiscus, that is name. And I'm gonna peel it like this. You can a petal of this. It is like this, and I'm gonna put it inside these things. Like only 2 is enough. Why? Because if we add more, then it will be very dark. So it is very bad for it. So I'm only adding 2 petal with each. So the next one is, I'm gonna add this also, like the same as the other one also. So I'm gonna take only this much. This much is enough for this. So, and I'm gonna peel it like half, half. Okay, you can see. Okay, my dear friends, you can see it is like this, and this water is hot, and you can see its color is like light pink. And so I'm gonna remove these petals. This color is faded now. Why? Because of the hotness of this water. I know that. Why? Because the water is so hot, and I'm like, oh, do I want to take this much hot water? And you can see, okay, this is hot. And I had taken some shampoo, and this is an acid. Okay, so I'm gonna pour this in this glass. I'm gonna pour this acid. You can see. Okay, I had poured some. It is more, I know that. You can see this water is some pink. Ooh, I'm mixing it. Look at this color is a magenta. It is magenta. Compared to this is so dark pink or magenta. It's dark pink or magenta. So you can see this like that. And if in the case of acid, it is magenta. This China rose indicator is reacts to this as magenta. So now I'm gonna take some this base, and yesterday's same base, or like you can see that floor cleaner. I'm gonna use that. You can see I'm gonna pouring this. This is orange, but you can see in the case of this, it is like green. It's clearly green, and you can see in the case of base, this is green. The China rose reacts to this as green, and in the case of this acid, it reacts as this magenta, or you can tell it is dark pink. It is like that. So you can clearly see this thing. It is green now, and this is pink, dark pink. You can see. It is like that. I don't know why, because it's a natural indicators, like this turmeric and China rose is real, and it actually worked. You can see in your front of your eyes. You can see these things. Yeah. Oh, it is so dark. Yeah. Okay. See you in the next video. Bye.